The former Houston police officer who is charged with murder in a botched raid was back in court today.
Gerald Goines is facing new accusations from an inmate he helped to convict in an unrelated drug case. The inmate now says it was the officer's lies that sent him to prison.
Jason Miles is at the criminal courthouse downtown with more details on this case. Jason.
Yeah, this is just one of thousands of cases tied to Gerald Goines now under review in the wake of the Harding Street raid. But just getting him to show up to court today was a challenge in itself.
Former HPD investigator Gerald Goines,
Mr. Goines, do you have anything to say?
who's already at the center of the botched Harding Street raid, is now the focus of Otis Mallett's quest to overturn a 2011 drug conviction.
In this case, a lawyer filed a writ on behalf of Mr. Mallett alleging false testimony by Gerald Goines and asking us for relief.
During a hearing today, the district attorney's office agreed that Goines provided false testimony and failed to disclose relevant evidence to prosecutors at the time, and that no reasonable jury would have convicted Mallett if they'd known what we know now.
What we're really concerned about is that an innocent person was framed and convicted, spent time behind bars, and has been on parole since.
Goines is currently out on bond for the murders of a couple killed in the Harding Street raid early last year, which was allegedly conducted based on erroneous and made-up information. He initially skipped this morning's unrelated hearing for medical reasons until a judge threatened a contempt of court charge. It later took seconds for him to plead the fifth.
He had surgery for being shot in the face during the incident that you are all familiar with, and there are a number of ongoing surgeries that require him to recover.
Mallett hopes to recover his good name, if not all the time spent in prison.
But we do really appreciate the court giving us the time today to prove that Mr. Mallett is actually innocent of this crime.
His case goes back the farthest out of the thousands that are now under review, thanks to Gerald Goines' involvement.
And during today's court hearing, a prosecutor looked at Mr. Mallett and told him, quote, "I'm sorry, you deserve better." Although the DA's office at the time of his trial thought all of the information was factual based on what Goines said. Back to you.